Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can hide and unhide the chats on Viber. So first of all, you open the Viber application. Once you're at the chat section of your Viber, you need to tap on the conversation that you want to hide. You tap upon that conversation. Then once you're at the conversation section, there you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right. From there you tap on chat info. Tap upon that. Once you open that, you need to tap on the hide this chat over here. Tap on that. You can hide any conversation from the chat list so that only you can see them using your pin. So here you tap on set pin. Now you provide a 4-digit pin for hiding your conversation. Now type in again for the confirmation. The pin has been set, and now only you can check the hidden conversation only after you provide a pin. You tap on OK over here, and from here you can see the conversation section has been removed. That means it's hidden. Now only you can access that hidden conversation once you provide your pin code. So similarly, if you want to unhide this conversation, what you need to do is you need to go and tap on the search icon on the top right. There you need to search for the name of the person you were chatting with and select them. This will show you that person contact information. Tap upon that. Now as this is a hidden conversation, you need to provide a 4-digit pin at first. Once you gain the access to the conversation, you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right. Then again you tap on the chat info. So here you can see the option of hide this chat. Instead of hide this chat, you will see unhide this chat. As this is a hidden conversation, I could not record the video as it came black, so I'm just giving you a proper information for how you can unhide this. So there, instead of that, you just will see unhide this chat, and you just need to tap on that. With this, chat conversation will be unhide and it will show in the chat homepage. This will unhide this chat from Viber. So this is how you can hide and unhide the chat conversation in Viber. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.